Planning a move from Fresno to Glendale? Whether you're relocating for work, family, school, or a new lifestyle, it helps to understand what can affect your moving costs before you start comparing movers. Fresno to Glendale is an in-state California move, but distance still matters. Movers may factor in mileage, fuel, travel time, route conditions, and how long the truck and crew are needed. A smaller apartment usually costs less than a larger home because there are fewer items to load, transport, and unload. More rooms, furniture, boxes, and appliances can increase the total moving time. Before asking for a quote, make a simple list of what you're taking. Large sofas, beds, dining sets, office furniture, garage items, and outdoor equipment can all affect truck space and labor. If you're short on time or have fragile belongings, professional packing can be a big help. Movers can assist with boxes, wrapping, padding, and careful handling, but this service may add to the estimate. Movers also look at how easy it is to load and unload. Stairs, elevators, tight hallways, parking restrictions, apartment rules, or a long walk from the truck can make the job take longer. If you have a piano, safe, antique piece, oversized furniture, gym equipment, or fragile electronics, mention it early. These items may need extra care, equipment, or additional movers. California moves can book up quickly during weekends, holidays, summer months, and end-of-month dates. Planning early gives you more time to compare movers and choose a schedule that fits your budget. Before booking, ask what's included in the moving estimate. Check for labor, transportation, fuel, packing supplies, basic coverage, and any possible extra fees so there are fewer surprises later. The lowest quote is not always the best choice. Look for clear communication, reliable scheduling, useful service options, and experience with Fresno to Glendale or similar California moves. Understanding your Fresno to Glendale moving cost helps you budget better, prepare your home, and feel more confident when moving day arrives. For more details about Fresno to Glendale moving costs and helpful relocation guidance, visit 3movers.com and read the full guide.